Africa's biggest subwoofer on the market. Brand new ARC Audio 24-inch driver. Now, I've been wanting to take a product into the commercial market for ages. It has been one of my dreams. Africa doesn't really have any brands that build things locally. So to be able to take this from the idea of concept to start producing a prototype, to go from a prototype to an actual product, I tell you, it has been an incredibly difficult experience. In our mind, I envisioned one thing, but you know what? We stuck at things. We learned that we could optimize, we got our painting right, and one thing led to a next. A year later, we realized that we were producing world-class products. In fact, this year, a year later, we have hit Africa's largest Expo MediaTek. Now, this show brings brands from around the world to showcase and highlight leading technology. And we had gone from a little incubation program to actually achieving our dreams and putting ourselves on the international stage in the sound and lighting environment. From concept to design, we landed up placing our own booth with a wide variety of different products. People were impressed, the feedback was great. It kind of makes you realize that you too can win the lottery through hard work, dedication and commitment. Now, overall, the main thing that everyone wants to do is be an exhibitor on the outside showcase, where people can actually listen to all the big systems.
Coming up next, sound demo by ARC Acoustics. Experience the power of our Paraflex outdoor demonstration system, featuring C3D kicktops, C2D kick bins, and TypoCram dual 21-inch subwoofers, engineered to deliver exceptional, powerful impact and deep authoritative low-frequency performance. This system showcases what Paraflex design is capable of.
It is so humbling to be among some of the world's leading brands like RCF and Nexo, to name but a few. To be able to have a proudly South African product represent Africa in this format is unbelievable. It was one of these moments where we can't believe that we have accomplished coming this far, and it's all because of this incubation program. Overall, people, they couldn't believe that our product was built to the same standard as international brands. We had so many people coming through to come and engage with us because people have been watching us. And the incubation program itself and the videos that we've been sharing through the AM YouTube channel, to have this type of a warm welcoming is so humbling. Big thank you to AM.CO.za. This incubation program has been a life-changing experience, and I cannot thank you enough.
At AM.CO.za, we sell machines, we fix machines, we teach machines, and we feed everyone in the process. Just for you.